start by asking two questions to everyone. How many of you invest in stocks or insurance products? Okay. So another question is, how many of you want to invest or willing to invest if I say you get 100% return on your investment? I will also do that. So please stay tuned to my speech that will give every one of you 100% return on your investment. So I'm going to talk about invest in the best that is possible today. So what I would like to talk about is really invest in health. It is not about investing in some health stocks or anything else, but investing in your own health. Okay, so I'll touch upon three things to first prove that investing in health will really give you 100% return. So first of all, I would review the proposal, investment proposal. Then I'll also tell you how to invest, and then the benefits of investing. Okay, coming to the proposal, please note that the investment proposal that I'm putting here has no losses. There are no trade exchanges. There is no bankruptcy. There are no service charges. There are no taxes. It is purely a gain. There are no hazards as well. Now I'll start with proving to you how this investment proposal will help you. I'll start with giving you an example. Let us consider this triangle wherein I have put in on vertical an age here and then health or well-being of yours. Now you see that your health, in this example you can see when you are 20 to 30, your health is very good. It slowly deteriorates. So as age increments, health decrements. This is the general seeing that we have, except for Zahid, I think, as for Zahid, as he grows, he'll become more younger, I guess. Right, Zahid? Okay, so this is the general behavior where when age grows, the health deteriorates. So I also want to review another thing. As age increments, there's also one thing, your career position or earning potential will also improve. Let's say, for example, at the age of 20 to 30, right? So let's say you're starting your life at $4,000 per month. Okay, slowly, let's take this example wherein it starts with 4,000, then it goes to 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, and greater than 10,000. And then your career ladder is also like this: trainee, lower level management, middle management, senior management, and greater than senior management. Let's take this example of how the career progresses over a period of age. Now when we put the two things together, it looks like this. So as age goes up, the health goes down, but the earnings potential will improve. So if we take these two things together and try to see the two scenarios that I want to say, which will open your eyes for 100% return. Scenario 1. Let us say that you do very well, you don't take off your health at all, and then you are burnt out at 40 years. So you have all ailments, you lose your productivity, you can't work. Let us say that if there is a situation like this, then if you observe your earnings, when you are 20 to 30 years, you are earning $4,000. When you are 40 to 50 years, you are supposed to get 8K, which is 100% more than 4K. So you are going to lose that if you are burnt up at 40 years. Now, let's take the second scenario, wherein for the first 20 years, you are very well, you are earning very well. But later on, at the age of 50 years, you are burnt up completely. So in that case, 4K plus 6K, which is 10K, you will be losing here 10K of revenue. So once you are done here, you retire here at 50 years because of your health ailments, you are done, your potential return of 100% is lost. So this is a simple example on how we will lose in case we are not taking care of our health. So the proposal is, as age increments, maintain health by investing in health to increment 100% return through your earnings. So your own earnings will help you to get you 100% return. Now, let me tell you how to invest. No need to open an account with me or any trading exchanges. Okay? So what you can do is, you can open your own account of 30 minutes. Organize your life in such a way that you will free up 30 minutes of your time. Okay? So, and then you can do some of these things. Like staying fit, probably you can exercise 3 times or 4 times a week. And then eat proper food, no less, no more. Probably we need to be very careful when we visit mothers. So health education, read about health articles so that you are updated. Then above all, stay happy. Be free from stress. Meditate. Do yoga or do tai chi or any other technique possible. So that way you are investing on your health. Just 30 minutes a day would reap a lot of yield, 100% yield for you. Now the benefits. First thing is happiness. You will feel young. When you are maintaining your health, healthy body, you will experience disease-free, pain-free, medicine-free, healthy life. Your happiness can impact your family and your associates as well. Second thing I would say, this is a major benefit, is best lifestyle that you can give yourself as well as to your next generations. So it is not just impacting you, but your next generation as well. So the 100% return that I am talking about is not just for you, but for your next generations as well. Now the third benefit is financial returns, of course. So you can increase your earnings and then decrease health expenses, whatever emerging out of these issues. Now, thank you for that. Finally, health is wealth. Please don't forget that health is wealth, our biggest fortune. So invest in it. Thank you.